Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Friends, in this video we are going to talk about how to become fluent in English. Friends, I'm very excited today to share with you that how we can think in English and how to become fluent in English. So the first step of becoming fluent is practice. How you practice? You can take the water from the sea when the sea has the water. If sea doesn't have the water, sea is completely dry, so how you can fill the even one bottle? Okay, so this is how our mind works, and this is how our language works. So if you have words in your mind, if you have right information in your mind, right sentences in your mind, then you are able to make them out. Okay, then you are to speak them. So that is what I want to speak. I want to say that you just need to focus on vocabularies and sentence making, sentence formation. That when you have in your mind everything clearly, then you can express everything. And second most important thing is think in English. You just need to think in English to becoming fluent in English. So what we can do to think in English, how we can make our brain think in English. So there is a simple thing to do. You just need to talk with yourself in English. So how you can do this? You can do this like Pankaj, you have to meet them. Pankaj, you have to wake up early in the morning because you have lot of works and you have to take bath, and after that you have to get ready and you have to go for office, and you have to do lot of works there, and after coming there you have to meet someone, and you have to cook food. So this kind of thing you need to speak with yourself, and you need to just use the simple sentences so that you can become fluent, so that you can become comfortable with yourself in the beginning. After that it will be very easy for you. So that's what I was about to tell you, and I wanted to tell you. That's enough for this video, and see you in the next video. Till then, take care of you.